Something I do differently from most people is that I will like to decide what I do uh, mm, working. I choose what I can do, what I do, and I take the responsibility when I do this. For me, anything is okay. Anything will be okay as because you need to keep moving forward. Whatever problem come up, I believe there is always have the solution. Every issue is a chance to learn and improve. Just do it, learn from work, and never give up. Yes, sure. We are human, so we learn when we grow up, and I'm the same. I'm learn a lot from my college, from my boss, from my friend. Of course, I can follow this process for same everyone else, but I don't want to follow properly because I want to try to practice and improve things. Whatever I involve in something, I always think about how I can make process more better, how I can improve my relationship with other, and how I keep learning from everything I do. Yes, this is my different thing.